Gold hitting the lows at 2638, bounce back is strong. And now you should recollect what did we discuss few hours back. I have very clearly mentioned that 2638, 2640 is the zone where gold is going to get maximum support today. And once it breaches 2638.40, we can see a stronger fall. Just refer to the video released few hours back and you will find it. That what is the reason for gold taking the support and bouncing back from these levels. Likewise, silver also moved towards 3075.80 zone, beautifully hitting 3075.80. We have seen it bouncing back. So, what to expect now from the US session? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and try to find out what should be our exact entry point, whether be it on the buy side or sell side. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. Like, share, and comment, friends, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first with look into gold, followed with silver. Wash. Now, first, gold on the early charts, you can find out lower lows are seen, lower highs are seen. This is forming a nice flag. Look at this. This is the pole. This is the flag here, and thus it is very important now for gold to trade below 2640.38 zone, and then we can wait for it to break below 2630.28. These two levels are going to remain critical for the day. Once it breaks below this zone, you can say now a major drop can be expected. Right now it is staying in the zone, and if you look at these three candles, what has happened here, despite delivering higher highs, we have seen prices showing a pullback here, which suggests that the prices are not, or the buyers are not very much interested in keeping the prices elevated, and thus again if you see it is staying below 2648 now, you can take a selling entry, expect 2644, 2640.38, and below that major fall can be seen here. Yes, a possible reversal cannot be denied, but right now I will say as long as gold respects 2638.40 for the day, we have to be careful here with the sells. Very clear. Stock I stick at top. MACD has crossed over here for the buy. This is interesting as after a stronger retracement, now this is crossed over and this is on the greener side. So we may see it continuing here for a while. RSI is staying flat, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, the observation is same. Remember this fact: higher highs are seen, lower lows are seen. If you connect these two, you will find that the median is somewhere here at around 2648 levels, 2650 levels. So once it drops below this zone, 2648.44, you can say more bearishness will prevail here. So yes, you can sell here at 2648, but then 2644 you have to wait for it to break, below which you can say more bearishness will prevail. Else it is still not bearish, it can deliver a breakout candle and complete the recovery till towards this zone, that is 2665. Possibility exists for this as well. These are markets, we can say, neither yours nor mine. We have to look at the levels at which either we should enter a buying trade or we should go for a sell trade. Just respect the levels and take the trades. If you look at the stock, I think this is come to overbought, while the MACD is on the sell side right now. It is looking downwards. RSI is almost running flat. On the 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour chart, these two candles are important. Higher highs are seen, and see, despite it is staying in the greener side, the body size is getting diminished, suggests that the bulls are not very much interested. And thus, if you see it is staying now below 2648 and then 2644, we can say that the total control will be with bears and we can look forward to a drop. Else, yes, break. Also remember breaking out beyond this flag, which means a buy at 2658 and then a move about 2662. If these two levels are taken, just stay bullish here. Remember these levels 2658 and 62. Stock IC rising, MACD has crossed over for sell, RSI running flat, and on the 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour charts, there is one important observation. See, a bigger tail is seen. Also, if you look at these candles here, you can see that 20 period moving average is definitely getting respected here on the 4 hour chart. So this is very important for any of these candles to close below 20 period moving average, which will confirm the bearishness. Right now the crossover here is a bullish cross, and the price is taking the support from the 20 period is also a good sign for the bulls. And this is why also I say yes, once it drops below 2648 and 44 zone, we can say that the charge will be with bears for the day. Else, as long as 2648 44 zone is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish. It can bounce back, it can recover strong. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, RSI running flat, And coming to daily. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, on the daily charts, one thing to note that couple of consolidation candles, and today it has started the day with lower lows and lower highs are also seen. And if you look at the charts here, see what is happening after two big bullish candles. It is undergoing consolidation, and if you look at the near term movement here, look at the formation. See drop retracement, and now if it stays below 2638.40 today and then 2630.32, we can look forward to a major down move, or we can see the beginning or initiation of a down move which can take the prices in fact towards 2620, 2600 or lower levels. The stochastic here is top and the MACD has crossed over and it is trading bearish while the RSI is running flat. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 2658 and sell at 2648 for this 100 pips $10 movement. Do not take a trade, and if you're buying at 2658, you have to be careful of 2662, 2665.566, and then if it breaks, then 2671.5 and 2675 levels. Now 2674.76 is the most critical level for the day. Any move beyond 2674.76 is the only confirmation that gold is turning bullish, else I do not treat this as bullish. It can reverse and drop again. While on the downside now, if you're selling at 2648, expect 2644 first, 2638.40 second, and if it drops below 2638.40, we can look forward to a move towards 2630.32, 2620, and in fact 2600 levels are also possible. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See silver on the hourly charts. First of all, yesterday what it did is fill the gap. Do refer the morning update which I had shared. Second thing is the double bottom is that it has formed, and the third one is it is delivering lower highs here. What has happened post this drop? It has recovered strong, now delivering lower highs. It is trying to take a move again, and one thing is clear that it is getting a very good support here at 3070 3080 zone, which is going to play a major role today in further direction, further moves for the silver. Now see here also on the upside, resistances are very strong till towards 3130. That is the only point at which I will recommend you to buy, and now it is looking downwards, so breaking below 3105 you can sell again, but then 3090 3070 levels are going to remain the prime support. The stochastic here is overbought, while look at the MACD, it has retraced sharp, and the crossover here can lead to RSI running RSI almost running flat here. Coming to 2 hour. Now refer to the 2 hour charts here. Similar observations. See, whenever it finds a resistance here, it always tries to reverse. What has happened here after striking against the wall, we have seen this dip, now this retracement. So possibly it could take a direction which is of bearish in nature, and thus once it drops below 3110 zone, we can say a stronger fall may follow here. But the interesting thing to note here is the double bottom it has created, and thus it is very important for silver to trade below 3070 3080 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, and RSI is also trading almost flat with modest bearish bias. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see moving averages are trading bearish here, and see what it has done after a reversal sign. It is definitely getting a stronger resistance from the 20-50 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. Thus a buying entry in silver today is only recommended if you see the lower price above 3130. You can initiate a buying entry. Even if you see it above 3130, remember the fact that as long as now 3150-60 zone is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Very clear here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, and the RSI is running flat. And on the 4 hour chart, the observation on the 4 hour charts is more or less same. Striking against the wall, we have seen it forming a sharp bearish candle, but then the body size is very small, a bigger tail is seen, suggests that the prices were not interested, or the traders were not interested in keeping the prices lower. And now if you see, it is just consolidating, so let it drop below now $31 levels. 31 is definitely a good support. Below 31 is where we can say again bearishness will prevail, and then we can look forward to 3080 3070, and if it breaks this, then 3040 3050 levels will prevail. Stochastic rising, MACD just crossing over for sell, RSI running flat. Coming to daily. Now interesting to note here on the daily charts what it has done. See, lower lows are seen from what we had seen in the yesterday's candle, and this is the weak beginning candle. What the weak beginning candle has delivered, it has hit the lows, it has bounced back, and then we have seen a swing here. So now also, if you look at lower highs, lower lows, possibility of a reversal cannot be denied, but only buying entries above 3130, that is very very clear. And if you also look on the upside, you will find lower highs here. So as long as now the highs are not taken, that is 3160 is not taken, we should be cautious here with the buys. The buys are definitely not recommended as long as 3160 is not taken, and thus if you are buying at 3130, you have to be extremely cautious here. If you look at the stock ISIC, this is flat here, and the MACD is trading bearish and RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 31 and buy at 3130. If you are selling at 31, expect 30 80 30 70 zone as the very good support, below which 30 40 30 50 should appear. And if it breaks 30 40 at any point of time, today, tomorrow, this week, we can look forward to a move towards $30 levels very very soon. While on the upside, buy at 3130, be careful at 3150 60. It is definitely going to remain a greater resistance, and any move beyond 3160 is a good sign for the bulls, which is going to take it towards $32 levels very very soon. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.